Hey buddy, why will the train here? Got a train, come check it out. He's about a mile, we saw it 3 miles, 2 miles away. I'm gonna turn the camera off and I'll wait till the train gets close. Here he comes to the exit, you'll roll it. Hey buddy, why will the train's here? Train came out 1 mile, he's about 2 miles away. About 2 miles an hour away now. It's 1 mile away. Let's see what we get. Wonder what this train is. Maybe a carriage on it. I don't know what that is. It's any carrying anything. Barely Norfolk Southern trains. I don't see. It's like a B9 train. We get over here. Get this crossing ready. Yeah?
Put your phone on the charger so it can still work. Come here. Put your phone on the charger. Your phone. I paid my dues.
The music. Yeah, this train is so close.
I paid a few. That's whiskers. There it is. There's the end. As we are.
Get out of the car.
Hey.
How do you get out of the car?
Close the door, please.
Well, that's a short Norfolk Southern 309 today. This is NS 309. This train underneath in East Binghamton, New York. Heads west, all turn the inward turn rates. On this Thursday, December 26, 2024. Why will the trains on YouTube? See, look at that. I'm over here at the different crossing. This is North Country 400 East. On this, pretty cool as that with the cool putting this bear table on this joggable train. Alright, see what I got at the toy crossing. Look at that. Alright, comes the exit of the old world.